Yaystar P-Series phone system, putting the power of unified communications at your fingertips. Call, meet, message, engage teams and customers, all in one place. Cloud or on-premises. Run the system however you prefer. Home, office, on the go. Make and receive calls wherever you are. Know who's available with real-time status. Access your personal and corporate contacts. Switch live calls between devices so you never miss a beat. Chat and share files as you need. Need to meet better? Initiate a video call with one easy tap, or schedule a video conference to have a lively discussion. With abundant call-enhancing features, every call goes to the right destination. Sales teams, support teams, and business of all kinds rely on Yaystar to deliver exceptional services. Customize routing strategies and IVR prompts. Dispatch calls based on agent and employee availability. Record conversations while staying compliant. See key metrics from a dynamic workboard. Gain valuable insights from reports. Integrate multiple messaging channels into one central hub. Deliver omnichannel customer experience via calls, chats, SMS, WhatsApp, and more. Turn customer interactions into service wins. System management will be painless for administrators. Easily stay informed with a glance at all phone system activities. Have a standby system running alongside the primary one. Ensure redundancy across multiple regions. Never let downtime bring you down. Besides reliability, Yaystar protects every corner of the system with enterprise-grade security measures. With an open and integrated ecosystem, from SIP chunks to IP phones to headsets and more, Yaystar will work in harmony with your existing infrastructure. Yaystar breaks silos and adapts to your workflow by integrating with Microsoft Teams, Outlook, CRM, Help Desk, Directory Services, Hotel PMS, and more. Or you can build your own integrations with APIs. Yaystar P-Series phone system, easy to adopt, use, manage, and integrate. The easy first unified communication solution. Boundless communication is within your easy reach.